Hi, Jane here from Menu Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how to expertly wash your makeup brushes like a professional. So this method is something I discovered accidentally last year. I was doing the dishes and I had to get my brushes cleaned for a gig the next day, and so I was like, so do you want to know my secret tool? Korean dishwashing gloves. These are like $2, and then it has these this texture on it that's gritty and rough, kind of like what they sell for like $15 at the beauty stores. So you put these on. Not only is it gonna get your brushes super duper clean, but you also will save your hands. And Dr. Bronner's bar soap. Hope you find this helpful. I hope you found this hack to be helpful and useful. You can find the gloves at any Korean or Asian market for about $2 to $3. You can probably also find it on Amazon. I like to get the red ones with the spiky palms, because that's what's gonna help you really get into the brushes. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.